Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products, all stainless steel model, rich in stylings, freezers. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall sizes will be 27 inches in the width, and 32 3/4 depths. And the 80 inches tall. As you can see, we see the controllers right here and the switches here. Let's take a look at the inner side of dimensions. Entirely will be 22 inches in the width and 27 inches in the depth. And the overall will be 49 inches high. Entirely open the door. This will be almost 53 inches wide. They have a fan inside to circling the cold airs. Let's turn around to look at the back. As you can see, we have the diagrams right here, NSF ETL sanitation stickers here, and the compressors at the bottom, they're using the regular standard 110 plugs. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us. Thanks.